What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will quickly show capping off a water line using a SharkBite push-on cap. This is quick and easy with no soldering required. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Now, let's get started. I need to cap this pipe right here. Yes, there is a shutoff valve, but I sure don't need someone to open it up and blast water all over the place. And the cap can be removed at a later date if needed. First up, cut the pipe with a pipe cutter. Next, deburr the cut end. I don't have a deburr tool for this 3/4 inch pipe, so I'm using some fine grit sandpaper. Then, cleaning it up. All good with no sharp edges. Next, it's time for the SharkBite cap. There is a required insert depth when installing the cap. However, it is not specified on the packaging. If it is, I overlooked it and could not find it. Checking out the SharkBite website, the pipe insertion depth for the 3/4 inch pipe is 1.10 inches. Mark 1.10 inches on the pipe to ensure that the cap is pressed on far enough. Then press it on. That's it! I used these about a year ago when removing a sink and capping the water supply lines. They have held up great with no issues. The full process is featured in this sink conversion video. These fittings are a great option for convenience, especially if you don't have the required tools or skills for soldering. They cost a little more, but for small jobs, they are quick and easy with no soldering required. So that covers this install. As always, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Give the video a like to support the channel. Drop any comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.